if I don't know, my lovely sister, Angelin, has made my intro. Yeah, that's her hand. But yeah, and I have a, challenge for y'all. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all like my intro or if y'all don't like my intro. And the first 10 people who respond to me, I will respond back. Whoop! Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if y'all can, and yeah, that's it. So let's go straight to the video, guys. Whoa! Okay. So the first one I have is, man, look at all this. Ew, look at all this slime, guys. Look how much slime there is on the thing. Like, that's so weird. Jeez. Okay. So this one's called Bubblegum Drop. So there we go. Do something like this. It's very good texture. It's a very good texture. And guys, texture was by me. I fixed the texture because it was a very hard kind of slime. So I fixed it by putting lots of lotion, and it's better. And it's scented, so it's better. I'm gonna blow if y'all like it. Okay, next slime. Please do something like that. This next slime is a very beautiful slime. And it's called Glitter Pop. And it has a very small scent. It's not even that scented, guys. Smell it. Not even that scented, honestly. So yeah. It's a very small slime, but it makes big bubbles. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, that was not big, but that's just because. Okay, guys. Honestly, my toe is itchy. I don't know why, but it's just super itchy. What's the spot? So good. Okay. So see how mega that is? Now blow it off. Oh, come on! That was my fault. I need to do it. But yeah, that's my slime. So that's big. Well, yeah, guys, that's just my slime. So yeah. Container, lid. Next slime. Thank you. This one is called avocado. No, this one is called guacamole. Sorry, I forgot. And everyone picked the name for it, so and by the way, you might be wondering, why is there glitter? It's for the powder. It's It's not that like stretchy or sticky or like anything. It's not really that good, but I fixed it one time. But the texture was so hard to like to deal with. I don't even know how to do the texture. So I just did all I can. It's not a good slime. Honestly. Like, I bet you a dog could eat it and it won't even get sick. I'm just joking. It might get sick. I mean, I can try bouncing it. I think it might bounce. Watch this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. Why would slime bounce? You have to like, only putty kind of bounces. In case like there's some type of thing you have to do to make it bounce. But I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this one because it's just bad slime. Like, it has no good Pocolos, no Crackalackles. Like, Pocolos or just feel like stomps. Like, no, Crackalackles. You can't even make a Crackalackle. Like, that's it, but like, so, recommend you do not try to like, you know, thank you. This one is called Gray Day. I know, but it's a gray slime, so I figured, perfect name, Gray Day. Okay, long story short, this one is hard because the reason why, oh my gosh, it looks like poop in there. Okay, long story short, so one time I was trying to fix this slime, and so like I wanted to put it in a container, but I didn't have like a container left, so I had to put it in here. I took out all the fluffing, and there was sticky stuff that like was brown, so I put tape over it, but the sticky stuff but that brown stuff for some reason got in it, and now I feel like I'm touching vomit. Like, it's just disgusting. Oh my gosh. Okay. How do you even do ASMR with this? It's disgusting. This is trash. This is sad. This is trash. Wow, I can't believe I have trash. This is trash. This is like Forky. This is trash. Nope. Next line. This is my 3-gallon. Oh my gosh, why is there some pink? It's my 3-gallon slime. Oh, by the way, guys,
3 pounds.
3 pounds slime. This is, by the way, there's some dried up pink in here, but it actually is like a, you know, like a cotton candy or unicorn slime. So like, let's just look at it, guys. It's turning purple. Turning so purple. Okay. So now, it's amazing. See, ta-da, okay. So, let's get it. Okay. Whoop. But this is like 3 pounds, guys. Do something with this. It's 3 pounds. So I'm gonna make a big bubble. Oh my gosh, this is so like. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I have some good. Actually, no, I'm gonna say that at the end of the video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like. Oh my gosh. So like, it's so good. I love this slime. It's like Crackalacky. Crackalackles. Check it out. Crackalackles. Okay, Angelin, this like doesn't even feel like it's 3 pounds anymore.
Yeah, because you took it out. Because you took some out and then you put it into other slimes.
Yeah, it just doesn't even feel like 3 pounds
Because like this slime was from that slime. What other slime was there?
The Gray Day slime. I added some of this in there. You know, that's a horrible decision.
I know. I didn't say anything though because I let you do you. So.
Yeah. But I still love it because it's big and it's only now it's just 2 pounds, which is fine.
I don't think it's 2 pounds. It's probably like
1 pound.
2 pounds and something else.
Yeah, like 2 pounds.
Like it's probably like a little bigger than 2 pounds.
Yeah, a little
Like
bigger.
it's not a
than
whole
2
nother
pounds.
pound, but just.
It's a little bigger than 2 pounds. So we sort of got 3 pounds, but not exactly.
We have about.
About. So. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so big. Mm. Mm. It's flat. Make my potatoes. Slap it. He's a commercial. Back to me. It's amazing. So, got the slime. So, container. Jeez. God, it's so big. Lid. Woo! Make sure y'all like this video, guys. That's all my slimes. Thank you for watching. Comment below if y'all loved this video. If y'all didn't, then you guys are just meanies. But if y'all love it, then thank you. And if it's in the middle, I also respect it. So